If one rice and so one water, and 2 rice is 2 water. Okay. And we bring it to the sink. Okay, and then you put your hand in and make the bucket only the water. And then you take one. For this rice, you need 1.5. 1. Make sure you dry the bottom. Like that. Now you bring it over here. And you put the rice inside. Close it. And press start. Then you press this one 2 times if you want to be quick. And then you wait for 35 minutes. Now, so 35 minutes just passed by. Here's the rice. It's perfect. Just right. I'm gonna tap, 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 tap to make straight. Tap, tap. Okay. The delicious bon appetit. You see. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.